Ja Rastafari. We got different engines here, different pistons. They look the same, but the piston's different. Irie. This how I go. The 47mm. That's a 47. Piston way smaller. This engine working, so now we're going to the 48 millimeter piston. 48, and I just buy this brand new engine, the 50 millimeter. So I know which one gonna be the fastest. Got a little tweak work, might be the 50. We're gonna see. Yeah, and they ring them, the arrow crooked. You gotta change the arrow them in the back. These arrows gotta change different. I gotta change the piston around. You know what I mean? Irie.